Hello! I am going to make a short tutorial on how to attach the mounting holder on a blind spot mirror. A blind spot mirror is very useful to attach on a side mirror of a car to make it safe during our driving. As you can see, there is a mounting holder, the black one, and a blind spot mirror. I'm going to attach the mounting holder at the back of the blind spot mirror. So here we go. First and foremost, I am going to remove the sticker at the center point at the back of side mirror. Yep. And then the small portion of the mounting point is going to attach on the center of the side mirror as well. Just like this. Alright. So next is the bigger is going to attach on a bigger part of the sticker at the back. So here we go. I am going to remove sticker as well. It goes like this. Now is ready to install. So first, before I install it, I am going to clean up the side mirror. Must to be installed on this side, something like that.